So here's the problem. Leetcode 451, sort character by frequency. So the problem statement is pretty simple. You'll be given a string S, sort it in descending order based on the frequency of the character. The frequency of character is the number of times it appears in the string. So if you see, it's TREE, so descending order, right? So E comes 2 times, so E in the first place, then R, then T. If basically any character having the same frequency, then just put it in ascending order. So this is what the problem statement says. The same thing. See, this C and A has the same frequency, so just put it in the ascending order. So let us just understand the problem. So let us consider same example. There is 3. First thing, I'm gonna create a map of character and int is basically count the number of times it basically appears. So T comes 1, R comes 1 time, then E comes 2 times, right? And what I'm gonna do is, after this I'll make a pair of character and int. This is my map, right? This is my map, and now I'm gonna make a pair of character and int. I'm sorry, just character and int, and what I'm going to store is character T, comma 1, character R, comma 1, and character E, comma 2. So I will basically push all of them in a vector and then short it as I'm going to short as quotient requirements, descending order of frequency. If they are, if basically both are equal, then just short it in ascending order. So this is what actually the quotient is. It's pretty simple. Just for better understanding, just get into the code. So first, make a map of character and int, map M. Let's call it M. Okay, I forgot to put semicolon. No issue. Then traverse through the entire string. Int I equals 0, 0, yeah, s dot size, then I plus plus. Put it on the map of s of I plus plus. Now, okay, it has to be curly braces, right? Let's fix it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I make a vector, right? Now I'm going to make a vector. As I've said, it will be basically store a pair of character and then int, let's call it vec, whatever, and then push. Basically, if you see, I was pushing the container of map into a vector, right? So let's do that. For const auto, I guess, yeah, entry, let's call it entry in map M, and I'm gonna push all of them. Push back. It's entry dot first, comma entry dot second. What the? Okay, so we are done basically, and okay, let's put it in a curly braces so that it can represent as a pair. So we are done till now. Now I'm gonna short the vector, right? So short vec that begin comma vec dot end. Now you see STL short has its own comparison, but here I want mine. So let's create custom comparator struct. Let's call it CMP, no issue. Now basically we have to overload that operator bool. Okay, bool operator, this thing, and we need that inch first const pair of char and int. Let's just take by reference and const pair char int again by reference. Okay, so now if my p1 dot second means the frequency, right, is greater than p2 dot second, then basically return true. Else if my p1 dot second is less than p2 dot second, then return false. Else just return p1 dot first, ascending order, right? So p1 dot first less than p2 dot first. So comparator is done. Proceed CMP. Now let's create a string answer. Initialize with null, so blank, whatever. So I'm gonna take all of the entries. So now after sorting, it will be look like, okay, so the vector will look like something like this: e comma 2, then r comma 1, this is 1, okay, then t comma 1. So I'm gonna take all of them one by one, right? And when I'm saying e comma 2, that means in string there was e for 2 times, so I'm gonna add e for 2 times, e, so it is r, right? This is r comma 1. So in original string there is word for 1 time, so I'll take r for 1 time and t for 1 times, but e for 2 times, because you see there is a frequency of 2. So let's just do this. So for const auto ampersand p in back for int I equals to 0, I is less than vec dot size. Oh no, it's not a, it's basically p dot second, right? Frequency p dot second and I plus plus, and just answer plus equals p dot first. So this is what it should look like, then return answer. I guess we are done. Let's just run and check errors are present or not. Okay, so there is some problem. Where? Here P. Let's check again. Compile here. Wait a second. Okay, it's spelling mistake, right? Second. So extra E. Now check again. I guess shouldn't be in here at all. Okay, it's accepted now. This is submit and okay, accept, I guess. Okay, yeah, it gets accepted. So this is how it is. So thanks for watching.